What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to another video on Luna Classic. The token of the Terra Classic blockchain, obviously. Which today I wanted to cover because first of all, I haven't covered this in a very long time. And like a month ago or a month and a half ago, I used to cover it almost daily. There are still a lot of people in my community, but also in general, holding Luna Classic and hoping that it will go up to like 1 cent. Which in my opinion is completely impossible. For a 1 cent valuation, we would either need to burn a lot of Luna Classic or we would need to get a 60 billion market cap, which I just don't see happening. In all possible futures, I don't see that happening. that a lot of Luna Classic would get burned. So that a lot of Luna Classic would get burned, that is possible. But unless that happens, I just don't see it going to either 1 cent. I don't even see it going to 0.1 cents. All right, so I don't even see a 1 appearing right there. That's just my opinion, and whether you agree with that or not, it's you won't change my opinion on that. So yeah, but I did want to take a look at it because I still think it's interesting and very valuable to take a look at it. Nothing much has happened ever since the last time I analyzed it. All right, last time I analyzed it was during these times. Back then we were just consolidating between 11,000. That's what I'm calling the prices as. It doesn't show that way on CoinMarketCap, but on other major exchanges, I think it shows it that way too. You will understand. So between 11,000 and ultimately 8,500, as you can see, that's also the level we touched the last couple of days when we got those bearish days with crypto. And I just don't see this changing. So obviously the main question right now is like we got quite a lot of we got this nice move from the bottom at 8,500. We went up by 25%. That's great. Found resistance at around 10,800. But now we're dropping down. Can we actually break this level? And the answer for me is no. There's not enough bullish momentum in the market. But apart from that, also if you take a look at these very short-term fibs, which I usually don't even do, but I think it's interesting to take a look at right now. You can see that we just don't react to it at all. Maybe this fib isn't great, and if you take a look at the 4-hour, this fib would be better, and then you can see that we don't even react to the 382 either. You could draw this fib, and then we are at the 382. All right, so if you take a look at the 1 hour, you can see that we react pretty well to that 382, but then we already found resistance at 10,000 again. So just a lot of bearish confirmations for me at least. Maybe I have tunnel vision, could be, but there's just a lot of bearish confirmations for me, and that's why I don't even think we can break 11,000, because that would be the main thing. If we can actually get that break above 11,000, so a clean candle break on the 4-hour time frame of 11,000, then sure, I think we can get all the way up to, then sure, I think we can get all the way up to 12,500. All right, that would be my price target. Is that unrealistic? No, it's not unrealistic. I just don't see that happening now. In the upcoming future, I think it's way more likely that we'll find some support here at 10,000, but that will slowly start dropping back down to 9,000. Find some support there, consolidate there, and then also drop down to 8,500. And I do think 8,500 is going to hold. That level has held us for the last month and a half. It's a strong level. So initially, I think it's going to hold us. If we get some very bearish moves throughout the whole crypto market, then we might actually drop down to 7,500, which again is a very strong support level. So we do have a lot of strong support levels for Luna Classic, but there's not enough buyer power to get a bullish breakout at this point of time, I think. So yeah, that's basically my update and my analysis on Luna Classic. So if you do have any questions about it, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to wish you a great day. Take care and bye.